Hello. We are together again in the lesson of 5 in Artcam 2011 training set. We continue from the model menu again. I will try to explain the Meet Board UR command to you. Meet Board. When we click, it gives us a window like this. According to this command, the 2D we have been working on is now. In case our work does not fit on this white screen while working, we will need to enlarge the page. Of course, there are other preliminary methods for enlarging the page. But by adding borders to the edges of the page, that is, in the page's own color or in different colors. A command that allows us to enlarge the page by adding a border. As we see here, there are selectable attachments. When you say symmetrical, these are the parts with gray edges. It shows the enlarged parts of the page as much as the value we have given. Symmetrical also shows that the value I entered is magnified on all 4 sides of the page by that value. If I click on this and tap, it will enlarge 3 parts, if I click west, it will enlarge 6 parts. If I click on left, it shows the left side, and if I click on left, it shows the right side. The logic of the black color here is that it is our cover. Our 6-color palette appears here. In our color palette, the main color is the color in the 3 parts here, our main color, and the 6th color is our intermediate transition color. Now, in the border and border option we will add to anyone, as many pages as space. Here we determine the color we will add to that part. Since our currently active main color is black, it will add a black border. I don't want it to be black. If we want it to be white, hover over the white. Molsin sol tusula tykladijamizda bu renjin beyaz oldugunu gormektias. Molsin ager sag tisina, haranji bur renjin ustun jelip tiklersak. It will also determine the color of the intermediate transition color. In other words, the right click determines the transition color and the left click determines the main color. I made it white here again. My page is now ready for adding, so it's 500 by 1000. Its height is 500 meters, and its first width is 1000 dimensions. We call this by using ET border all over the page. We wanted to add 20,000 meters. Here the color is already white. So, when we wanted to add white color, the command has now completed its operation. From here, the length of 1000 increased by 20,000 meters from the right and left. It will be 1.40. 500 to 20,000 meters above and below in length increased. It will be 500.40. Let's look again. As you can see, the part we said would be 1.40 is 1039.875 mm. The one here does not give exact measurements in millimeters. The only reason why it turns out that there is a tolerance difference of a certain fraction of 1,000th. It is due to our pixel settings on the page. Because we add color, because we enlarge the page by adding color, it is enlarged with pixels. Millimeter sinesin yakin sonic eld e bilmek isen sefada maximum. If we reach the number of pixels, we will have 100% of the data we want. Altinside dersi de gorismek yuz haskakalin.